Mankilan. In the last video, we were talking about the methods to increase the friction and reduce the friction. Now, we go into detail about how to reduce the friction. Means friction is necessary and also not necessary in various cases. The situations where the friction is not required, it must be reduced. It must be reduced to minimum value. We cannot avoid the friction, but it can be reduced. Decrease the magnitude of friction. Decrease the magnitude of opposing force. There are so many methods to reduce the friction. On reducing friction, what we are actually doing, we are decreasing the interlocking of irregularities. There are so many methods. The first method, it is polishing the surfaces. Polishing the surfaces. That two surfaces, when they are placed in contact, one surface, it has some irregularities. Another surface, it also has some irregularities. If we polish both the surfaces, then the extent of irregularities may decrease. If the irregularities decreased, then the interlocking can also be reduced. If interlocking reduced, then the friction can also be reduced. Second one is, if we are not going for the polishing surface, because if the surfaces are polished, then the upper layer will be removed. If we continuously remove the upper surfaces regularly, then what will happen? The material will be teared off. If the material is teared off, then after some time it should be replaced. To prevent that replacing of material, instead of polishing, we can do another method, that the irregularities, in between irregularities, some substances may be placed. That substances which are placed in between the irregularities may prevent direct contact of irregularities, which also reduce the interlocking, so friction can be reduced. And that substances which are used to reduce the friction in between the surfaces, known as lubricants. Lubricants may be used. Friction can be reduced by lubricants. Lubricants, whatever be the substances we use to reduce the friction, are lubricants. Lubricants, there are so many things: oil, grease. These are the substances. In our bicycle, we sometimes use oil, grease. When we take the cycle to mechanic, he also used the grease, oil or some substances at various parts to reduce the friction. And there are so many other. In heavy machines, heavy machinery, in industry, these lubricants are not preferred, because in heavy machines the area of contact is larger, so the friction is greater. If the friction is greater, then more heat also produced. In that heat, these substances, these lubricants can melted away. So in that heavy machineries, some other lubricants are also used. They are used as solid lubricants. Solid lubricants. In heavy machines, solid lubricants are used. Example, graphite powder. Graphite powder is used. So, lubricants are used to reduce the friction. Then, one more method is also to reduce the friction, air cushion. Air cushion is also used to reduce the friction. Air cushion means in between the surfaces, instead of using these substances lubricants, we can fill the air also. The air also play very important role which prevent the direct contact of irregularities and the friction also reduced. That we call air cushions. Otherwise, we can have in some other substances friction arised. In that we use in wheels we use ball bearings. Ball bearings. Ball bearings also, because already we discussed about in rolling friction is least. In rolling friction we use the small balls. The ball bearings also fixed in the parts, machinery parts, which also reduce the friction between the two surfaces. And also the surfaces, any surfaces may have streamlined shape. Streamlined shape. Streamlined shape means the surfaces having the body structure in front of that part, in front of the body, in front of the structure, it is having the aerodynamic shape, just like this. The front part of aeroplane, rocket, that we call the shapes are streamlined. That surfaces are also used to reduce the friction. These are some methods which we use to reduce the friction, and where we can give some examples where we use the methods to reduce the friction. They are in carrom board. We sprinkle powder. Carrom board we sprinkle powder to reduce the friction, because without using the powder, if we strike the coin, if we strike anything, then it may not move with that speed which we require. In that we use the powder so that the friction is reduced and the coins may move with the greater speed. And in vehicles, the oil and the grease are used. These are some examples.